What a SmartRapper gang, weird title, but it's true. How to use the coronavirus as a weapon. And no, I don't mean using it to kill people. I mean how to use it as a weapon to kill all the obstacles in your way right now, to make sure that you really can make it. Right now, you can really build all of your skill sets and push your entire career forward. Now is the time. Whether you realize it or not, stop worrying about the chaos. Now is when you can really make the moves you've needed to make when you have to be home. I'm telling you right now. You want to know why a majority of people who go into drug rehabilitation actually fail and get back addicted to drugs after they get out of rehabilitation when they think that they're fine? It's because the person that was addicted to drugs goes from being in the environment where they did the drugs at home or with friends. They then go from that environment to going to rehabilitation, to then getting out, to saying they're clean, and they go back into the same environment. It means they're in the same place where they have all the triggers of why they did drugs before, the same people, the same rooms, the same times in which their brain was used to doing the drugs, and then they get addicted to drugs again. And that's because their environment and their system and their habits were not set up right. They were set up for failure. If you take the time right now to set up your environment for success, to learn scheduling and what it takes to actually be successful, and you apply those things now when you're locked in and have to abide by them, when this whole thing's over, you're gonna be a superhuman and you'll stay on that path to success. If you don't do that right now, you're already screwing yourself. You're already setting yourself up for doing the same wrong things you were doing the whole time. And that's why in the Rapper Shortcut, the first thing I show you is time management. You learn time management and then you learn branding. You learn time management so you can learn a schedule you need to stay on that's gonna help you for success. That's gonna help you build the environment for yourself, environment design for success, the habits you're gonna need for the rest of your career that's gonna make you take you 10 times further faster, all right? Right now, you're gonna be able to build the schedules and the habits and watch all the videos to learn all the skills and practice and take notes. Now is when you can do that without having to worry about going to work. Most people don't have to go to work right now. A lot of people don't, okay? Maybe some of you do, but you're gonna have a lot less hours. Now is when you take these hours and you stop playing video games and you stop wasting time watching movies and you sit in a room and you practice deep work. You sit there, put your phone away, sit there, learn, grow. Now is when you can become an amazing music artist. If you're wasting time doing anything else, you're late. You don't want this, because people right now who really want it, they see the benefit of being inside and putting that work in. I'm seeing this as a massive benefit. The amount of things that I've done, skills that I've grown already since this started. You can do the same thing, but you need to be smart here. Turn off the Netflix, turn off the TV, get out of the room with the stuff that's slowing you down, and go and watch videos on things that you want to learn. Go and practice, go write lyrics, go record some songs, man. Now is when you can get as many songs as you've needed. You can record all the songs for the rest of the year. All the singles you need for the rest of the year can be recorded in this time right now. If this lasts even a month, how many songs can you record in a month? You can record a whole gang of songs in a month, man. Quit playing. You can make your next 3 mixtapes right now. You can make an entire marketing strategy right now. If you're not thinking that you can do these things, you're being lazy. I don't even know why you watch my videos. You should know better by now. Now is when you can go and make money from my affiliate course, where you can take the SmartRapper products, go show them to other artists, and spread the word about what you know is already helping you. Go share it with other artists so they can learn too and make money doing it. I pay you guys. You guys can make a couple grand a month if you're actually taking it seriously, right? Because I run ads to those people after you get them to click your link. I promote it, and then I get you paid because I sell them on why they need it. All you gotta do is go sign up for a link and show the link to people while telling them how much you like SmartRapper. If you could be getting paid during this time, go get you some money to get enough money to buy your home studio equipment. You can make that money from home with my help right now. Okay? There's nothing you can't do right now except for go outside and really interact in clubs and parties and bars and schools, which you don't like doing any of that shit anyways. You don't really need to be doing any of that stuff anyways. Maybe you like it, but you don't need to be doing it. Right now is the time when you're planting the seeds that are gonna blossom, and by fall you're gonna see the rewards and reap the benefits and be like, wow, I'm so glad I locked down. I'm so glad I watched Rob's videos. I'm so glad I sat there and I watched 60 of his 900 videos on the SmartRapper channel and I took notes and I grew. Now is the time for you to grow. Now is the time for you to utilize what's being weaponized on society. What the f? Use this as an actual weapon for yourself to break the barriers and boundaries that you're currently sitting in your life. Now is the time you have the ability to sit there and smash your obstacles and really take control of your life and make these changes that are going to change your life forever. And if you don't get that, you're tripping. If you're trying to learn something right now, number one, I have courses on everything. You can go get your hands on all these courses. I'll put the link below. You can get your hands on the Rapper Shortcut right now, which will change your entire career for you. I'll put a link for that below. And if you can't afford anything, you just want free information, but did you know that there's an actual search bar on every YouTube channel? Not YouTube overall, but if you're on the main homepage of my SmartRapper channel, there's actually a search bar where if you want to learn anything, you can type in words and it'll show you every video that has those words associated with it. Use it, okay? On top of that, last month I went through and spent 2 days of my life, did not think it would take that long. I spent 2 days of my life organizing over 900 videos and putting them into specific, more upgraded playlists so you can find the information you need easier right in front of you on just the SmartRapper homepage. So you can go to my YouTube's main page and see all these playlists, click the playlist, look through the videos and see which ones you really want to watch. And I put important videos in there in order. You can see them all. You're gonna learn. You can watch as many videos as you want right now and take notes and learn and apply these things. Now is the time for you to do that. It might be the only time you're gonna have to do that, because once you have to go back to normal life, if you don't have the right habits built, you're gonna go right back into the same mode you were in before. Make these changes. Go learn these skill sets. Take the reins. Don't let this hold you back. Use it as a weapon, as a strength to progress. Okay? I'll put all the links below for you guys. Either way, go learn something. Cut the video games out, unplug them, hide your phone, uninstall apps that are useless. Let's go, stop wasting your time. I'm here, I got you guys, I'm helping you grow. The links for you guys to be able to make money with me are below. The links to the Rapper Shortcut are below. I got your back. I'm just trying to put a fire in the ass, okay guys? Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. I believe you can do this because I had to do this. I had to go through all these things, right? Just remember that, okay? Keep hustling.